Maing buntag bar! Bati. Musta dia bay? Early morning today. It's actually not early. It's around 11 a.m. today. So nakabangon ako and I'm on my way back home. Nakatod ko ni Laura kanina because she's out. She's out. She's meeting with her friends. So mapit na lang sa ngori sa Coles Burwood, palit kong something. So sa ayo niyo dia sa ako kay okay lang, chill. Na kay wedding karong weekend do ka buok. So tanaw na kun sa ayo sa kung kanang day, kanang schedule. But for now, there's nothing new. I'm just testing kaning Osmo Pocket 3. Testing out how it works, dynamic range, and how to control it. Kay ang ihang footage is na pagka Osmo action or like may pagka action kamish kanang output, but we'll see how we go. We'll see the unsa ang ngit na unsa ang ihang effect. Ako man giset ang ISO nga ang max ISO 800, and then tanaw na ko ngit mo adjust ba siyang ISO or di siya makaya or taas ra ang ISO. So it's coming out as dugay siya maka adjust kung ang ISO change, but yeah, it is what it is. Kanang kung inani ka nga normal nga makakita ngit siya kumpara sa gawas. Yeah, mag-parking sa ako kay mapiti niya tangari. Bawal di mag-vlog kung mag-drive. Kaya nag-vlog di mo kung mag-drive kay ako mangunigod. Sa buntag naglakaw mi like early morning walk, and then I took bread because bread is life. Mastorya na tawag sugod ba, pero before ko nakastorya naka-realize ko nga akong shirt bali ilista or baliho na to. Good day guys. So future me ron, when you do vlogs you have to prepare for it. When you have to make good video, you have to make good content, and you have to prepare for it, not just wing it and make a vlog. And that's an example of a vlog na wala ko prepare. I just made it up because I think it means a lot to me also. It's my diary, and it's what I wanted to show you guys. I don't want any microphone. It's one of the things that I want to show you guys if you're interested, but I don't know, I didn't prepare for anything. When I look back to all these old videos that I'm trying to edit and upload, makita na ko na it's crap, but I still want it. So yeah, when you want to do good content, when you want to do good vlog, if you want to excel here in YouTube or anywhere else you want to post, you have to prepare for it. You have a mindset, you have to have knowledge, you have to have impact, you have to prepare for it. Like you have to make it look good. So ako, I don't do it. That is an example of it. Also, at the moment, I'm filming at the new place. It looks like the old place, but I'm in the new place. The other side is the brick wall, which I really want. And nakuan ko, I got so lazy right now of setting up my lights and everything. I hope it looks good. And I used to have a big soft box here. But funny, I tried this old setup that I have. I have this mura niya akong light karon. So this is the only light that's been lighting. So yeah, the thing with lights is you have to have distance. So this is the only light that was lighting my face, and it's good. Okay, naman siya blue background, but wow, I put it behind the camera. Make sure you're a bit better, same exposure, and look, looks good. So yeah, also another learning for that is that you don't need a lot of high-end gears to film everything to make good content. Although ako kay mura ko ganang gearhead, I want to set up a lot of gears, and right now I'm appreciating this small light because I'm so lazy to set up my lights. But this is how it looks, so pretty good, yeah. So muna siya. So, unfortunately, wala na ko lang clip for this 2-day vlog, so we're just gonna move on tomorrow. So see you tomorrow, and yeah, enjoy your life, do whatever you want, make videos, create. Bye. Ang mga video na ako nga kanang usahay mahuman ako, yung wala pa rin ko mahuman. So muna siyang other angle, is just the angle sa side behind itong ganina, and that is my brick wall. That's my stuff there, na yung mga stuff ito lang irugamay kamarang rin. So inana. So this is one of the angles that you can use. This light is amazing at the moment. Amod lang ka sa computer, it's gonna look bad. Anyway, need to end really now. So take care, guys, and enjoy.